Fix your gaze in heaven, die to self and live for others. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 10 interesting facts about founder of Little Flower of Jesus School and Handmaids of Christ Orphanage, Calangute, Goa. Yes, he is no other than father of orphans, Father Herculano Gonçalves. So let's start. Number 1. During the Holy Week services of 1893, the year following his ordination, Father Herculano was invited by his uncle Father John Batista Gonçalves to preach the Maundy Thursday sermon at St. Alex Church, Calangute. This was the first sermon that he preached, and it was on humility, and it was praised by the people. Even the local newspaper O Crente published about his preaching abilities. Number 2. On 19th March 1933, he laid the foundation for the construction of St. Alex Orphanage. But on 29 June, the building collapsed due to defect in the foundation. Father Herculano rushed hurriedly from Belgaum and without hesitation sold his share of ancestral property at Banauli and reconstructed the new building. This was the unconditional love of Father Herculano to his orphans. Number 3. In Sonapur, every evening he used to teach catechism to children in slum, and he would also recite rosary with local fishermen before they go for fishing. Number 4. Seeing his love and passion towards his work, his superiors appointed him as professor of Daman Seminary in 1895 and then spiritual director in 1898 of the same seminary. Number 5. When he was far away in Belgaum, he used to give spiritual guidance and direction to the sisters through his letters. His heart and soul was with sisters and orphans in Goa. He loved and cared for them so much that they addressed him as Pai. Number 6. On 21st March 1950, Father Herculano breathed his last at St. Alex Convent, Calangute. Great souls like Father Herculano never die but live forever. He was buried in the cemetery of St. Alex Church. Number 7. After a few months of his death, two of his priest friends had come to St. Alex Convent. They came to know that Father Herculano was buried in cemetery of St. Alex Church, but they suggested that being the founder, he should have been buried either in convent chapel or convent garden. On 11 February 1962, his mortal remains were preserved in a monument installed in garden of St. Alex Convent. Number 8. In the span of just 3 years in Calangute, he founded St. Alex Orphanage, Little Flower of Jesus School, and the Congregation of Sisters of St. Alex, now known as Handmaids of Christ. Proud moment for Kalangutkas, Goa's diocesan and Goans. Number 9. The poor were close to his heart, like a pelican that feeds its young with its own blood. Father Herculano sustained the poor and orphans, depriving himself even of the basic necessities. Tears would well in his eyes because he could not provide them more. Number 10. The church in Goa has commenced the process that will lead to canonization of Father Herculano Gonçalves, who worked for the poor. So this was some interesting facts about humble priest Herculano Gonçalves. Hope you liked it. Thank you Margaret Pereira for this excellent topic. आशा दोत्ता की तुमका सगळ्यांक म्हजो हो व्हिडिओ लायक जालो आसतलो म्हूण. माझ्या चॅनलाक सबस्क्राईब करूंक विसरो नाकात. देव बरें करूं.